checked into this Shangri-La, which is really nice. It's definitely a little bit more of a dated Shangri-La, but still very nice. They upgraded us. We have 2 twin beds. There's a garden out there whenever the morning comes. We have like a whole living room situation. And then, yeah, this is our bathroom. Very chill. We get to be bunk mates for the next week. But yeah, very excited to see what we end up doing in Chiang Mai. I think tonight we're gonna go check out the night markets and then probably call it an early night because we're here to go meet my manufacturers tomorrow, which is gonna be very exciting. So, yeah, stay tuned for all that. But I'm actually exhausted right now, so we'll see how much energy I actually have to continue vlogging because I think my voice is also gone for some reason. We are calling it a night on night 1 in Chiang Mai. I'm doing a face mask. I need to revive myself. I sound like I'm mumbling. I'm half asleep. Who cares? We also look at hotels for the Philippines because we're headed there after a few days in Chiang Mai, and we have not booked a single accommodation, and we are going to quite a few spots, and we have not booked anything. So that is priority 1. After we also just booked the elephant sanctuary for this week. We're really just rolling with the dice here, and if that gives you anxiety, you probably should not travel with us because we are probably gonna give you a heart attack. Allegedly. Supposedly. We are not liable. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Good morning. We are gonna head to the manufacturing development today, but we're gonna get breakfast, and there's a tennis court here, so I have to check it out. I'm really excited. I want to play tennis. I don't know if they rent rackets here. I feel like they should. The sun is already beaming down. It's only 8:54 a.m. Look, there's a whole tennis court. I'm gonna have to play some tennis later, but maybe in the evening because it is sunny. Sublimated, and I have not seen a new sublimated wetsuit since the first development. So that was with a different team. So, yeah, wow. That's good.
Quite nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can ship directly to him, but you just give
Yeah,
him
I have his shipping address. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Currently doing a tour of the whole manufacturing plant. Yeah. I'm with my whole manufacturing team, my whole girl squad, so I'm very excited. It's very cool to see how everything happens in person. I'm very excited. It is 1 p.m. We are back at the factory. We have a few more things to go over. We need to go over some of the patterns before I head out. We have matcha. It's been so fun. They've been showing me literally everywhere around Kampong, which is a very old city. It's older than Chiang Mai. It's actually 1,500 years old. They've been showing some fun facts to me. So it's been fun to see it through their eyes because they grew up here, they live here. So it's very special to be able to spend this time with them and be able to see and explore everything that there is to offer in Lampung. Also, one thing to note is that when we came back, everyone is in full-on nap time mode, like
pillows out, blankets out, lights out. And I think we need to establish that in America. I think that makes for a much more productive work-life balance, honestly. I kind of love that, honestly. And then now the lights are back on. So we pulled over to some work and charged my phone because it was completely dead. And now we are here to find Nate. We are here at a temple. It is absolutely beautiful. And yeah. Let's go pray to Buddha again. We're walking around now. The sun is really beating down on us. I feel like it's like wearing us down, but we're just walking around kind of old city, and we're heading to one more temple before probably getting a bite to eat because I'm already hungry, even though lunch is very full, but there's a bunch of really cool like shops all along this area, so we've just been stopping and going as we see everything. There's so many back here. This is crazy. It's literally a stone tub. So cool. Hold on to whatever you find, baby. And I don't trust myself. Loving you. Right, welcome to excursion day. We just did an hour and a half drive. Now we're gonna go do bamboo rafting. We made the mistake of not bringing actual sunscreen, so we've just been doing super goop on our shoulders. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, took a nice little nap in the car. It was a very long ride. We made it.
There's already elephant.
Yeah! Oh my gosh! Look at that. So cute.
Color videos, yeah.
You know it. Look at it.
Not all.
That is cool. Oh.
That's so warm.
The most beautiful house in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Pretty solid lunch spread. We got curry, pad thai, vegetables, chicken nugget, and rice. It's an interesting nugget. Had lunch, went over the sketchiest drawbridge ever after seeing one broken on that bamboo tour. But now we have little elephant. Her legs whenever she's chewing. So cute. 4 months old. And then we have Mama. Hi, Mama. I don't have food yet. I don't have food. I don't have food. I don't have food. I don't have food. I'm sorry.
Ahí que te puede tocar
Strapped in.
contar a alguien
We're
que
going
es
back
súper
to the
débil
car
o contar
now.
a alguien que sabe
I
cosas,
haven't
no
had
lo
clothes
sabes.
in the past 2 hours.
Hay un gran riesgo.
I want clothes.
Si tienes dudas de subir, espérate a que suba el oponente.
But me new friends.
A alguien lo enseñan a ver qué lo quiere. Entonces depende a quién veas, sales.
And we're about to go on this.
El rubio de andar. Green
curry, Singha. We got, what is this? Pork that takes longer than the Titanic movie
to make. Yeah.
We have, I don't know what's
Chicken.
It's chicken
Content like super small pieces.
into small pieces. This is the morning glory. And then just imagine it, there's crab fried rice there. She got her crab fried rice. That looks so good. Taking all the photos of all the drinks right now. You know what? Add mine to it too. He's took so many lessons. Good day. It was our last day in Chiang Mai. We're having a very late start to the day. I think we're both very sleep deprived, so we needed a lot of sleep this morning. Now we're trying to find a place to eat. We've been trying to hit this place called Pari twice, last night and just now. And both times we got shut down. And it was very sad. But yeah, I think we're just gonna find a place to eat, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel, check out, and then dilly-dally for the day, because our flight's not until 1 a.m., so I'm not really sure what we're gonna do all day until 1 a.m., but I guess we'll find out. We'll just eat ourselves and stuff ourselves until we go to the Philippines. But speaking of the Philippines, that's our next location. We have not booked anything. Like, still looking for accommodations. Slowly booking it day by day. Usually, I'm like, I generally am like pretty chill about it, but I think because the islands that we're going to are quite scarce, and like some of them are like very expensive, I'm kind of like, all right, let's chug it along, you know?
It's fine. We'll just put a tarp down and sleep on the beach.
Yeah, that honestly might be what we resort to, because I don't really feel like spending $500 after all the flights. So that's kind of my vibe. Yep. First bites at Chum, we have this curry, roti, we have purple sticky rice, we have our little chicken wings, and then there's larb with pork rinds, and then a side of vegetables. And got some fizzy drinks, and we're ordering more because this is not enough food for the two of us right now. red snapper, and then we have vegetables with eggs. Eggs are like a popular thing here. So we just checked out of the Shangri-La, and it's so nice here. But also, this is the first time I'm actually able to take a walk around the grounds, even though we just checked out. And it is so beautiful out here. Chug. But yeah, look how nice this is. But I think at this rate, I think I can actually kind of go sit by the pool, which would be nice, even though I don't have anything with me. But I'm not opposed, just because it's nice to enjoy the sunshine and the warmth. And just feeling very grateful for all of it right boyfriends are out here, because everyone's taking their cute little garden photos, and there's so many Instagram boyfriends. It's really funny. Found Nate in his natural habitat kimono section. This looks so good. Embroidery on it too. It's so nice. Formula One literally follows me everywhere in my life, which I think is really funny. So we left the craft fair because everything closed, but now we're gonna find Nate a luggage so they can consolidate. Let's see if this actually pans out. I've actually never heard of this brand before. Is it good? Decent. Last day. Okay, I'm very happy we decided on yakitori. It was a 3-minute walk from the mall. We got a lot of stuff. Right now, the oyster mushroom just came out. Nate got asparagus. We got kimchi, this, and a lot more meat coming out. And then I got the chilled glass. And his is just a...
Yo, I got the craft beer though.
But it tastes like orange juice, which is what you've been wanting.
A little taste of American OJ.
Dreams do come true. Okay, basically, if you're in Chiang Mai, stay near the U Hotel or go hang out around this area where the malls are because it is lit over here and I feel like we missed out on all this nightlife because it is so like lively over here.
It's also coming from the person who's been passing out like a lover.
Okay, you were also, I came up to the room and you were passed out.
I never said I didn't either.
It's a we in this, alright? It's not a me.
It's a we.
But if you gotta put the target on me, yeah, I was sleep deprived, alright? I take the L. But yes.
It's pretty lit here. Also trying to get a resi of Black Kitch.
Yeah, if you want to go to a nice restaurant here, you gotta make a reservation in advance.